Hi everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to use Kahoot to create a quiz. Well, actually I'm going to create a few riddles, but whatever. So, in order to create a quiz on Kahoot, you will have to sign up and account for it. But since I already have one, so we'll just have to log in. Okay. So to create a quiz, you will just have to click on this button, New Kahoot, and then click on Create a New Quiz. And for here, you will have to give a title to your quiz. For example, riddles, and then a description for your quiz. Just for fun. Okay. And you can add a cover image if you want to, and visible too. Select only me to control who can find, play, duplicate, or share your Kahoot. Choose everyone for your Kahoot to be available to the public. As for language, you can choose whatever language you want. As for audience, since I'm going to create a riddle, so I will have to choose social for this. And you can add in the credit resource, also intro video if you want to. Okay, so go. And now it's time to create some questions to your quiz. Okay. Okay, you can set a time limit for your question. I think 20 seconds will be sufficient. Then you can also attach image or video to your question. And then you have to set answer for your question. Worm cat meal. Okay, click to make this a correct answer. So by clicking on this, the system will know that this is the answer to the question. And then click next to create another question. And just repeat the process. Okay, sometimes you can actually upload an image to mislead the players to choose the wrong answer, because actually the answer for this question is a stick. Alright. Okay, this would be the last questions. Okay. And it's done. Just click on save, and there you go. Quiz has been made. Okay, now I will demonstrate how to play it. And to play this, and to play the quiz, you will have to open two browsers, as one will be displaying the question and the other one you will use it to answer the question. To join the game, you will have to key in the game pin first. Okay, and here's my name. Okay, not the nicknames, beware. One click on your name and you are out of the game, so don't use nothing nicknames. Okay, click start. Okay, what has a tail, a head, and is also brown? Okay, just click next. This question, and then you will answer here. What is brown and sticky? A poop! Nah, actually it's a stick. Okay, this is a tricky question if you don't look it correctly. Okay, and that's it. After that, they will show the results. Okay, and that's it. This is how you play the games. Okay, so that's how you create a quiz on Kahoot and play it. Hope from my demonstration you will have a better understanding on how to use Kahoot. Thanks for watching the video and hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy making it. Bye!